You know what? Is I'm fine actually a lie?
We all do it. Someone asks, "How are you?" And we say, "I'm fine." Even when we're tired, overwhelmed, or excited.
Today we're breaking down why fine is boring and giving you three specific other phrases to replace it so you can actually express what you're feeling, even in a second language. I'm Liam.
And I'm Sophia. Welcome to English Speak Studio Podcast, your daily English podcast for real conversations, simple lessons, and easy English listening practice.
Let's get into it.
Let's start simple.
Very simple, very safe.
I'm fine means I am okay.
So it is not wrong.
Right. But if you use it every time, your English can sound a little flat.
Like plain soup.
Plain soup?
No salt, no spice, no personality.
Real life has many feelings.
Sometimes you are good,
Sometimes you are tired.
sometimes you are stressed.
Sometimes you are okay, but not amazing.
Sometimes you are hungry and confused at the same time.
That is very Liam.
Yes. So today we will learn small phrase upgrades. Small English, big improvement.
Phrase 1. I'm doing okay.
I'm doing okay.
This means you are not amazing, but you are not bad.
So it means life is okay.
Yes. It is calm, natural, and useful.
For example, someone asks, "How are you?"
You can say, I'm doing okay.
Or, "I'm doing okay, just a little busy today."
That sounds more natural than only, I'm fine.
It gives a small detail.
Exactly. And small details make English sound real.
Friends, repeat with us.
I'm doing okay. Just a little busy today.
I'm doing okay, just a little busy today.
Great. Very natural. Phrase 2. I'm pretty good.
Pretty good.
Pretty good means good, but casual.
Not super excited. Not dancing on the table.
Correct. Just good in a normal way.
Example, "How are you today?"
I'm pretty good, thanks.
Nice. Short and friendly.
You can also say, I'm pretty good. How about you?
Very useful because you answer and ask back.
Yes. In conversation, asking back is polite.
So don't just answer and run away,
Please don't run away.
unless the conversation is very awkward.
Repeat with us.
I'm pretty good. How about you?
I'm pretty good. How about you? Phrase 3. I'm a bit tired, but good.
This is my daily status.
Every day?
Every day. Morning, afternoon, evening, same story.
A bit means a little.
So I'm a bit tired means I'm a little tired.
Correct. This phrase is useful because it gives a small, honest detail.
Not too much detail.
Right. You are not telling your whole life story.
It all started when I slept late 3 years ago.
No, Liam.
Okay, short version.
You can say, I'm a bit tired, but good.
Or, I'm a bit tired but good. How about you?
You can change the feeling too.
I'm a bit hungry but good.
I'm a bit stressed, but good.
I'm a bit sleepy but good.
I'm a bit dramatic, but good.
That one is true.
Your turn. I'm a bit tired, but good. How about you?
I'm a bit tired but good. How about you?
Phrase 4. Not too bad.
Not too bad.
This means things are okay.
Better than bad, but not amazing.
Exactly. It is casual and common.
For example, how was your day?
Not too bad.
Very short.
Yes, but you can add one detail.
Like, not too bad. I finished my work.
Or, not too bad. I relaxed a little.
Nice. Simple and natural.
Repeat with us.
Not too bad. I finished my work.
Not too bad. I finished my work.
Not too bad. I finished my work.
Phrase 5. Now let's learn a phrase for a harder day.
Uh-oh. Emotional English.
The phrase is, I've been better.
I've been better. It means, I am not great today.
Honest, but it is still calm.
You can use it with friends, family, or people you trust.
For example, how are you?
I've been better. I had a long day.
Or, I've been better, but I'll be okay.
That sounds kind.
It is. It tells the truth, but it doesn't sound too heavy.
But maybe don't use this on your first day at a new job.
Repeat with us. I've been better, but I'll be okay.
I've been better, but I'll be okay.
Phrase 6. I'm hanging in there.
Hanging? Like from a tree?
No, please don't imagine a tree.
I'm hanging in there means life is difficult, but you are not giving up.
So it means I am surviving.
Exactly. It is warm, natural English.
Example. I'm hanging in there. This week is busy.
Or, I'm hanging in there. Things have been stressful.
This phrase feels brave.
Yes, it is good for difficult days.
Friends, repeat with us.
I'm hanging in there. This week is busy.
I'm hanging in there. This week is busy. Now, very important.
Very, very important.
When someone asks, how are you? You answer. Then you ask back.
Because conversation is not a one-person show.
Exactly.
Unless I am talking to my mirror.
Even your mirror needs a break.
Here are simple ways to ask back.
How about you?
What about you?
And you?
How are you doing?
Very useful.
Remember this pattern. First answer, add one detail, ask back.
Example. I'm doing okay. Just a little busy today. How about you?
Perfect.
Okay, friends. Quickfire phrases.
My brain is ready. Maybe.
Phrase 1. Same old, same old. It means nothing has changed.
Example, same old, same old. Work, food, sleep.
Phrase 2. Can't complain. It means things are okay.
Example, I can't complain. Today was okay.
Phrase 3. I'm in a good mood. It means you feel happy or positive.
Example, I'm in a good mood today. I slept well.
Okay, breathe.
My brain is doing cardio.
2 more.
Phrase 4. I'm getting there. It means you are improving slowly.
Example. I'm getting there. I still need more practice.
Phrase 5. I'm not feeling my best. It means you don't feel great.
Example. I'm not feeling my best, but I'll be okay.
Great. Simple phrases, real English.
I feel rich in vocabulary.
Now let's hear these phrases in a real conversation.
Hey Liam, how are you today?
I'm doing okay, just a little tired.
Oh, why are you tired?
I slept late. My brain wanted to think about life at midnight.
Life or snacks?
Snacks are part of life, Sophia.
Fair, but you sound okay.
Yes, not too bad. I finished some work this morning.
That's good.
What about you? How are you doing?
I'm pretty good. I'm in a good mood today.
Nice. Why?
I had a quiet morning.
Beautiful. That is emotional health.
Maybe, but yesterday was harder.
Really? How were you yesterday?
I've been better. I was a little stressed.
Oh no. Are you okay now?
Yes, I'm feeling better now.
Good. I'm happy to hear that.
Thank you. And you?
I'm hanging in there. This week is busy, but I'm getting there.
That was a perfect answer.
Thank you. I am no longer only, I'm fine,
You upgraded.
like a vocabulary butterfly. Your challenge today. Answer this question in the comments.
How are you today? But don't write, I'm fine.
Use one phrase from today's episode.
Keep listening.
Keep speaking. And if this episode helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us. You didn't waste it. You invested it in yourself.
Yes, we are proud of you.
This was English Speak Studio with Sophia.
And Liam.
Until next time, keep speaking, even when it's hard.
Be kind to yourself.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye. Take care. Peace.